look above into the sky, many times to ask how and why. Life does have color along with flavor, especially as we think of Jesus our Savior. Rain all around to occur at times can often be hard or gentle and fine. Dark clouds come, thunder with lightning, awe-inspiring but can also be frightening. Rain all around from sky to ground, making such a roaring or a majestic sound. Watering the flowers as birds do sing. In comes the clouds, then down falls the rain.
Hey, Mr. Sun, we're here for a while. Our shadow can be seen many a mile, covering the sky a very short time. Rain all around like a rhythm with a rhyme. Jesus is able to quench our thirst.
Not just the last, but He's also the first. He refreshes our souls from sky to ground.
Again and again, rain all around. Even in a drought, non-praying people will pray.
This is certain, just like the heat of a day. Then once the sky opens with rain all around, not hardly a thank you, Lord,